Welcome to Homework Lib.
In this question, we're going to be finding the midpoints of the legs and the length of the median of the trapezoid with the vertices C, D, E, and F. Now the first step would be to just sketch this diagram. You can sketch the diagram or even just do it to scale. And I'm going to use a coordinate plane that I'm going to create here. So the coordinate plane is as follows. That's our x-axis. Then we want to get the y-axis. So let me just put the y-axis over here. Then we sketch the different place. They plot the different points that we have. So C is at -4 and -3. So this is C, -4 and -3. D is at -1 and 4. So -1 and 4, that's D. E is at 4, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's E at 4, 4. And finally, F is at 7, -3. So 5, 6, 7, and -3. That's F. So let's join these points to form the trapezoid. Now, this is a sketch of our trapezoid. This will give us an idea of what we want to do. And so if you want to get the midpoints of the legs, we need to add the coordinates and then divide them by 2. So let's add the x coordinate. So it's -1 plus -4 divided by 2. Then for the y, it's 4 plus -3 divided by 2. So -4 plus -1 plus -4 is -5. When you divide by 2, it's going to be -2.5. And for the y, when you add 4 and -3, you get 1. Divided by 2 is 0.5. So the midpoint should be at -2.5 and a 0.5. So it's at this point here. So that's the midpoint of the first leg. Then the coordinates of the midpoint for the second leg will be 4 plus 7 over 2, because those are the x coordinates. And then for the y coordinates, 4 plus -3 over 2. So this will be 11 over 2, which gives us 5.5, and 1 over 2, which is 0.5. So it's going to be at 5.5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.5, and then at 0.5. So that's where the other midpoint is. Then when you join these two midpoints, you get the median. Okay, so that's our median. And we are required to find the length of the median. Now, the length of the median is going to be obtained by getting the difference between the x coordinates, because notice that the y coordinates are the same, so 0.5 and 0.5. So that makes it easy for us to get the length of the median. So the length of the median is obtained from 5.5 minus -2.5, because we're just subtracting the x coordinates. So this will be 5.5. So that's actually, you get the absolute value of the difference. So 5.5 plus 2.5 is the length of the median. And in this case, it's going to add up to 8. So 5.5 plus 2.5 is 8. So that's the length of the median.